Yeah. And right now, Steph is bitching for a piggyback ride. Will Sid! Aw, yeah. Aw, yeah. Aw, snap. Aw, snap. Yeah.
Totally did.
Shit. Rape whistle!
George.
What?
Come on, dude.
Right. Look at this little girly man. He can't even carry a girl on his shoulders. Ow. Get us a chapel. Ow. And all that other fucking junk. Arnold Schwarzenegger looks like shit these days. That's all I'm saying. Ah. Ow. Ugh. Shit. Yo, wait up. Just taking some nature shots, among other things. Hey Sid.
What?
What's green and smells like ham?
The Muffin Man?
Kermit the Frog's finger. You get it? Because he fucks Miss Piggy. Fun facts. I would pay to see that movie. Puppet sex between Kermit and Miss Piggy. Does anybody agree? Come on, am I the only one here? I don't want to seem like I'm weird. Nothing. I just want to see that fucking guy in the goddamn crate. They're never taking me seriously, I guess. I'm always the jokester, and I guess it's backfiring on me in this moment. Seriously, what the fuck was... What? Being slow. Seriously, I don't get it. Why the fuck would a man in a business suit be out in the middle of fucking, woods, standing in a creek of all things? I mean, I have to think, if you're in a business suit, you have some nice business shoes. That'll just ruin your shoes. Maybe he's high on meth. Maybe I'm just overreacting. Maybe it was just some business meth head. It happens. Either that or coke. Coke fiends, man. Don't underestimate their power.
We definitely didn't hide the bag in the leaves.
Fucking liars. You make me sick. I'm Captain Planet. Either save their environment or I'll fucking kill you. Shit.
Dude, what are you doing?
Taking nature shots.
Come on, man. Let's go get some pizza.
Hell yeah! Let's go to Bloaty's Pizza Hog. Zim reference if you didn't get it, kids. Because I was around whenever, you know, Zim was actually on TV and it was fucking cool, not a bunch of these stupid fucking teenage sluts who see it, oh, it's cute because of Gurr. Fuck you. Go read Johnny the Homicidal Maniac. I think you'll see what Jonah Vasquez is all about, bitch. But now I'm rambling. Rambling, man. Well, it was a fun day, besides a bit of creepy weirdness, but hey, yo, man, it's fine.
Like a French whore.
Sorry, my hands are shaky.
Dude, what are you doing?
Nothing.
We're waiting on your ass.
The road's right there.
I know, but I want to leave it on the camera.
Dude, you should have got a Jeep.
I'm not going to buy a Jeep.
No, you should have.
Want me to hand this off to you so I don't like drop it or shit while we're like ducking under this fucking...
Awesome driving.
So much forget the piggyback is
He's,
good.
I'm going to piggyback you. Hold on.
No, not with your camera.
Whiny, whiny.
Oh.
Here, I'll give her a piggyback. Want it?
Can you carry me?
I can carry you.
He's larger than me. He's a big, strong boy. She weighs like 8 pounds.
No, she was like 120 something, she said.
How fun!
Slave driving, driving them slaves.
Buddy, what you can get on this bitch.
I'm telling you, it's fun as shit driving up
I'm not buying a Jeep, Sean.
Well, no shit.
Are you all right now, Steph?
Yes, I'm fine.
Now you can walk on the pavement with your little
Yeah.
kid.
Remember back in the day when Devin got a wagon,
Ready?
and we said friends don't let friends drive fag wagons.
The
And
speed
that is
limit's
the
85.
first car you went out and bought.
That's not a
That's all-
fag wagon, man. That's a Green Hornet.
No, not at all.
Would you didn't promise. Thanks, Sean.
Oh, who's a helpful little boy. Well, guys, it was fun going up there and shit.
Successful trip.
Yeah.
Someone's a little psycho. Seeing shit.
Yeah.